guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today is our February Ipsy unboxing video. Super excited about this. Got here at a decent time this month, so also excited about that. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the bell before you leave. And I don't want to make this intro too long because I'm ready to show you guys what I got. So let's get into the video. So I did go ahead and apply one thing out of the box. I got the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer. I got the shade LG6. This was an item that I actually picked as an add-on, and I had heard people talk about how they really enjoyed this foundation. And I have to say the coverage on it is really good. It is a full coverage foundation. The only thing that I don't quite like about it is it seems to kind of, when you put it on your skin, it seems to kind of dry a little bit. Like it kind of like dries fast. So the next time I try this, I think I'm just gonna do like put some on and then blend it out and then do like the other side of my face. But overall it did blend out really nicely, and it turned out really good. The shade might not be quite my shade, so after I use this up, if I decide to purchase it, I might go like one shade lighter. I feel like it was a little bit orangey on my skin. So, but overall, I am excited to be testing this out. First thing in the box that they sent me was these three of these Sweet Chef sheet masks. These retail for $10.50 for the set of 3, so that's not too bad. And I really love the packaging of these, and I've actually been trying to use my sheet masks and other masks because I want to be able to film an empties video for you guys for February. So I have been using some of my sheet masks. They had kind of just been compiling in my bathroom and I hadn't really been using them. So now I'm like actually using them. And then the next thing in the box that they sent was the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Palette. This retails for $29. The packaging is really pretty. It kind of has like a raised effect here on the sides where it's like sweatery. And then here's what the inside of the palette looks like. They are all matte shades, which is kind of neat. And I love how they're kind of like softer, like pastel tones. It's kind of a pretty palette. I don't really have one like this in my collection, so I was excited. This was an item that you picked to be sent in your box, that they gave you an option, because they always let you pick one item, but this was one of the items that they let you pick. And when I saw that, I was like, because I do have one other Dominique Cosmetics palette in my collection, and I'm glad to have 2 now. And the next thing they sent over in the box was this Lurker. I don't even know how to pronounce that name, but it is very fancy packaging. It's kind of like in this paper envelope, and you open it up and the brushes are all inside. And we got 5 brushes. 2 face brushes and 3 eyeshadow brushes. They do feel really nice and soft, and this brush set retails for $154. That's expensive. I would never pay that much money for a brush set because there are really cheap, affordable brush sets out here at the drugstore that are so much cheaper. But I get it sent to me, I will use it. And then the next thing that I got in my box was this Il Makiage. It's just a black felt tip liquid liner. I feel like we've actually had this. It's just a good looking felt tip black liner. I do use these up pretty fast in my collection, so I will get some good use out of this. And then the last thing they sent is this Touch in Soul Velvet Lipstick. The packaging is just so cute. And then here's the lipstick. And it's very nice. I really love this shade. It kind of reminds me of like a watermelon pink color. Just really pretty. And then I did go ahead and add on a few products in my box. The first thing I added on is a couple of blushes. I got the Madison Miller X Ofra blush in the shade All You Need Is Love. And then I got the Balm like little girl power blush. I'm gonna enjoy both of these. I love blushes. And then the last two products I got as add-ons is, one is this, it's just a powder brush. It's by the Beauty Crop. It is a really pretty like little ombre effect, and it's so cute. And then I got this Super Glazed Lip Cream by Half Caked. I love the Half Caked packaging. And I also love the smell of their lip products. Their lip glosses, that is. I don't know about their lipsticks, but I own another lip gloss, I believe, by Half Caked. This one is called Slight Work. I don't know. And then the bag of the month is this really pretty like blushy toned leather looking bag. Has like a darker pink zipper, and it's just pink inside with the Ipsy logo. So that is everything in the box this month. As I said, I do like to go ahead and apply the products using them. I did go ahead and use the Selfie foundation. But I am going to go ahead and apply some blush using, I think I want to use the Balm one. And I think I will just go ahead and use this brush, this powder brush. It is really pretty. I like that blush a lot. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to try out this Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and create a eye look for today. And I think I'm going to use these eye brushes that we were sent by this brand that I cannot pronounce. I don't know. Does the pamphlet say anything? LaRousse? Maybe it's LaRousse? I've never even heard of that brand. So I think I'm going to go in with this bigger, kind of fluffier brush. I'm going to work Fuzzy, which is this like lighter pink shade, kind of all over my lid. I'm realizing I just said all over my lid, and I just meant to kind of say my crease and above my crease a little bit, kind of like as my transition shade. I don't really know what I'm saying. The shade is really pretty, and it is actually really pigmented for it to be like that light toned of a shade. Like I can actually see it on my eyelid, which is surprising. And then I'm going to go into the shade called Cuddle, which is this more mauve toned blush pink shade. And I'm just going to then, I'm just using the same big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to tap that all onto the lid. I'm going for kind of like a really simple look today. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this more angled flat brush, and I'm going to go into the shade called Chill, which is this blue one. And I'm going to work that into the lower lash line. That is really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with some of this Il Makiage black liquid liner and just apply a little bit of liner. I don't really use felt tip liners as of lately. I've been using my Maybelline ones, so we'll see how this goes. This eyeliner's not good. I don't like it. Okay, finally got the eyeliner on. This is gonna be a big no for me. I feel like it took a lot of work to actually get some of the product off of the felt tip thing. Like, it just took a lot of work, and I don't like it. It's not good. Don't like it. Okay, I got my mascara on. I just went in with the Maybelline False Lash Lift. This has been my ride or die mascara lately. Last of all, I'm gonna go in with some of the Super Glazed Half Caked Lip Gloss. I don't really feel like wearing a lipstick right now, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this lip gloss. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Overall, the products all performed really good except for the Il Makiage felt tip liner. Not a fan. I will try to use it just because I don't want to be wasteful and throw products away. The brushes, they were really nice. Did really enjoy them. The blushes are really good too. I really did enjoy the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. These matte eyeshadows in here are all really nice. The ones I used performed really good. And I do really like the lip products I got, and I will let you guys know about the sheet masks. So before you all leave, don't forget to subscribe if you've not already. Ring that bell because I upload every Monday and Friday at 8 a.m. And don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching. So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.